Hello everyone, today in this section I'm gonna show you how you can download InShot on Android. But before I start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, give like and leave the comment on my video. To download InShot, you can go to the Play Store, okay? Click Play Store in here. After that, you can click search bar in here and write InShot. And now you will find this icon. This is application about InShot, okay? Click in here. After doing this, you can download and click in here, okay? So that is the way how you can download and install InShot with Android. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.